You searched how to buy shares of Rhinebeck Bancorp Inc. Rhinebeck Bancorp Inc. is a regional community bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RBKB, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker RBKB to locate the listing. Make sure you select the entry labeled Rhinebeck Bancorp Inc. so you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the name and ticker match RBKB before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once your trade is executed or queued, the position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.